Hiya, welcome to my channel. Many thanks for stopping by. It's always a pleasure having your company. I'm on today to stuff my savings challenges. It was supposed to be for Friday gone. I'm a few days late with that, but it's okay, no problem. We'll get it done now. And I have got something else to say to you. I'm skint, I'm broke. I have only got £80 to stuff today. I usually have £140, but I had to make provisions for a new direct debit that I've got coming out. That was £20 extra, and then I have spent the balance, so I've only got £80, which I don't mind. It's better than having nothing. And I thought I won't leave it in the bank, so then it'll just trickle away, popping out using the card and stuff. I just thought, get it out and stuff. That is my best advice to you. If you find yourself in that situation, don't leave it to trickle away, even though it's not the amount that you usually stuff. If it's less, still take it out and stuff your envelopes. You'll be surprised. Right, so today it's all about the dice games, apart from one, and I'm going to choose I'm going to choose purple for now for my first game. But what I want to do first and foremost is quickly count the money. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80. And we'll just have to see what we can stuff, what we can't stuff. Just, leave it alone. Right, this is the first thing I want to do. I coloured my September in already, so that's £15. So in total there should be £60. I'm going to count it now and be accountable for that. Let's have a look. 20, 30, 40, 50, 55, 60, 65. That's right, 65. Because I always do £20 for the large icons, and the smaller ones are £5 each. So that's 65. Great. And I'll have the October one in for my next stuffing. And finished with this binder for now. This one now is... let's see, we've got the big roll the dice. Alright, get that one out. Big roll the dice. There we have it. I really like that blue. I should never have done it the green. Alright, let me get two purples out. Two out. And let's go for it. Okay, so that's 1 and 4, so that's 5. Put that there for now. 1 and 4. Okay, we'll go again. So that's 10, 2 5s. That's good. Yeah, I'm good with that. Did you see the... let's just have a look if you could see, because I've got there's a frame around my screen on my camera that's kind of stopping me from seeing if I'm in frame. Okay, those can get put away, and that's done. So let's put that 15 in the big roll the dice. And we do the little roll the dice. I will do a white. Let's do a white. 1. Let's go again. That's 5. Okay, that's a bit better. 1 and 4. Okay, let's colour this in. 1 and 4. Right, that's enough for now. I'm not doing any more because I have to try and see if I can keep money for the rest of them. Let's do a red. This is from Frugality is Life. Did I use 1 or 2 dice the last time? I can't remember. I'm going to use 1 because we're only playing with a minimum amount. So that's 2. Let me just get a pencil, or shall I? So that's 2. We've got 1, 2 there. And they're £2 each, the books. So that's 5. So that's 1, 2. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4, 5. Right, I think that's it. So that's 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14 pounds, and we'll just put 15 for that, and we'll colour them in later. Let me just make sure I've marked them so I can see them. Yep. And then the next one we have will be, oh dear, let's just put that in grab a book for now. And the next one will be, oh dear. Shut the box. Right, I'll just get out all the pencils. Let's do ink. Yep. And I will do 2 wooden ones for this. I'm only doing 1 row, so be it. Got 10, 20, 30 pounds. So let's see. Okay, there's 5 here and 6. That's 11. 5 and 6. I'm going to do a 9 and 2. Yep. 9 and 2. And we've got 3. Okay. We've got 6 and 2, that's 8. Six and 3 is 9. 5, 6, 11. I think I'm out. Oh no, I'm not. 4 and 5 is 9. See? Always good to be patient. Yeah, 6 and 3. Great. Oh, I'm feeling good. I'm feeling good. That's 9. 4 and 5. Okay, so that's 6. 1 and 5. And let's go for 8. 8. 3 and 6 is 9. So then we've got £8 to put in. And there we use the £10. That's good. I'm happy with that. Really happy with that. Let me just put 8. There we go. Great! Yay! That wasn't bad. I'm happy with that. I really don't want any IOUs. I don't usually have IOUs. I think I've had one since I've been playing. And this one is a mini savings. This is also by Frugality is Life. And I will take... let's see. Let's do 2 greens. So we've got £20 left. Okay, so that's 8. 6 and 2 is 8. Let's get the green out. So we're counting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So that's £1. Yeah. We go again. That's 12. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. That's another £1. That's £2 so far. I'll just put that down because I will forget. £2. That's 8, 7, 5 and 2, 7. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That's £10. Should we do another one? That's £12 so far. Let's see what we can do. That's 6. Okay, let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Ooh, £10. Ooh. Ooh. So that's 10, 20, 21, 22. I went and opened my big mouth, didn't I? So I owe it £2. Oh. Let's do it in pencil. Oh, £2. Alright. That's okay. That's okay. £2. That is fine. I love that. I enjoyed that so much. Yep. 10, 20, 21, 22. So I owe it £2. And that's it. That's me done for another week. And I was really happy with the progress of that. Goodness me. See how far £80 can go. So don't leave it to dwindle out. You know, take it out and stuff those envelopes. Honestly, it's worth it. Anyway, if you did like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. Take care of your good selves and see you back soon. Bye for now. Bye.